Wala ang GPS.
Okay, today is July 7, year 2013. You are here in UP Flying Field. Okay, so let me give you a 360 view. There's Mac there. We're going to test his newly purchased gimbal. Is that right?
Then use.
Yeah, very expensive gimbal. The gimbals alone cost about $3,500 US. Just the gimbals alone without any camera. Okay, we will show you a demo flight.
Ito maas. Mas content.
There, okay, let's try to synchronize. Can you synchronize video? Okay, I'm going to synchronize my camera with Mac's camera.
Record ba ako?
There.
Teka lang. Mag-record ako. Ayun. Game.
Okay, start recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Record. Okay, you may start flying.
Ayun, para sa likod. Tulak ka na. So makita yung retract ko.
Yung cable na ba yun? Clear ba yun yung prop? Ha? Yung cable na yun, clear yun yung prop?
Clear.
Shot. Ay, sabi ka ba? Oo, anong cable no? Yung cable, nung natakot ako nung nag-lift yung leg, tinutulak niya yung cable pataas towards the prop Oo, muntik na BTS. Tie. Anti-zip tie.
Makali pa rin, ha?
May zip tie ka dyan, Sarge? Wala. Hindi ka madala ng tools masyado.
Hindi ba? Baka lumusot. Disconnect kaya natin yung iikot natin dito.
Ikot sa arm.
Yan, para sure. Hindi ba kailangan mag-reinitialize ng booking nyo?
Hindi. Kinukuha lang niya yung data ng Hindi naman kung makakontrol mo ulit.
Okay. Again. So, anyway, continuous recording siya, di ba?
Edit na lang.
Sige pa, forward pa. Sige, forward pa. Ibabaw ka, 'di ba? Forward pa. Okay, baliktad na. Okay na. 110 degrees na eh.
Ay, hindi na makita dito. Layo.
Pabalik.
Teka. Balik ulit. Mobra, hindi ako naka-90 eh. Ang galing na Zen. Hindi mo ramdam na nag-rudder ka dun. Forward pa, Mac. Yun, oh. Sabi mo kung atras ka na.